Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling and opening widgets so you can add items. First, make sure the widgets toggle is on in Settings under Personalization and sign into your Microsoft account for syncing. Once done, open the widgets board using the taskbar icon or Windows plus W. This is the necessary starting point because widgets populate from that board. Without it, you can't add or edit. Now that you have the board visible, move to selecting and placing individual widgets. Now you choose and tailor widgets to your workflow. Click the plus sign or add widgets to browse offerings. Pick whether news, calendar, or third-party items. Drag a chosen widget onto the board and resize by dragging its corner so it fits your layout. Make sure to move widgets into preferred positions. Windows snaps them to a grid for consistency. You can open each widget settings to change sources, locations, or topics. Do this so the widget shows the information you need. Finish by placing and managing widgets for daily use. Pin frequently used widgets to the taskbar or leave them on the widgets board for quick access. You can remove extras with a right-click and choosing Remove. If a widget misbehaves, use Manage or Reset its settings and sign out and in to refresh data. If widgets disappear, restart Windows Explorer or check your network and Microsoft account sync. These steps resolve most issues and restore proper widget functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.